You have applied for 100 or more jobs by now, but you got zero interview calls. The truth is, your resume isn't just getting ignored, it's getting rejected. And the worst part, you probably don't even know why. But don't worry, we are about to spill the tea on 5 biggest resume mistakes that are killing your chances and how to fix them in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix these mistakes and finally get that interview call. Plus, I'll even give you free recruiter approved resume templates that guarantee you will stand out. Hi, I'm Jyoti Pandey, and we are here to help you build a successful career in 2025. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to get the latest career insights and expert guidance to take your career to the next level. Now let's get into the 5 critical resume mistakes that instantly get you rejected. And trust me, recruiters don't even have time for second chances. So let's get started. Let's start with a simple fact. If your resume looks messy, recruiters will assume that you are unorganized. So how do you fix it? Clarity and structure. Stick to a clean, minimalist design with clearly defined headings for each section. Use a professional font like Arial or Calibri in size between 11 to 12, ensuring the text is legible without straining the reader's eye. White space is your best friend. Break up information into bit-sized sections, use bullet points instead of paragraphs, and keep everything aligned neatly. And most importantly, keep it concise. If you are an entry-level candidate, stick to 1 page. For experienced professional, 2 page max is the sweet spot. Anything beyond that, and you risk losing the recruiter's interest. Remember, the goal of your resume isn't just to showcase your experience. It's to make it as easy as possible for recruiters to see why you are the perfect fit for the role. Want to see a perfect resume layout? Grab our free resume templates in the description below. Your resume summary is your elevator pitch. If it's boring, vague, or full of buzzwords, recruiters are hitting next. Here's the golden rule. Your summary should scream value in 2-3 lines. Tell recruiters who you are, what you bring to the table, and why you are perfect fit for the role. For example, instead of saying experienced marketing professional, try saying digital marketing expert with 5-year experience driving 200% ROI through data-driven campaigns. See the difference? One puts them to sleep and other makes them sit up and take notice. If your resume only lists job responsibilities without showcasing achievements, it won't stand out. Recruiters want to see real results that demonstrate your ability to make an impact. A common mistake many job seekers make is writing generic description like manage social media or handle customer inquiries. These vague statements don't tell recruiters anything about how well you perform in those roles. Always remember to quantify your accomplishments. Instead of saying manage social media accounts, you may say increase LinkedIn engagement by 60% through data-driven content strategy. Or instead of saying I used to handle customer inquiries, you can say resolve 95% of customer complaints within 24 hours, improving satisfaction rating. Numbers matter. Showcase them properly. Show how you made a difference. Use action-oriented words wherever possible. Start each bullet point with a powerful verb like led, optimized, increased, or implemented. Then add specific numbers or measurable outcome to showcase the result of your contribution. If you don't have exact number, estimate the impact based on reasonable data. Just ensure it's accurate. Here is a quick formula. Action verb plus what you did plus result or impact. For example, spearheaded a Facebook ad campaign that increased website traffic by 35% or optimized email marketing strategies boosting open rates from 18 to 28% in 3 months. Pro tip: before finalizing your resume, put yourself in recruiter's shoes and ask, would I hire myself on this experience? If the answer isn't an immediate yes, revisit your bullet points and make them stronger. 2025 is the year of skill-based hiring. Your past job titles and degrees matter far less than what you can actually do. This means your skill section is one of the most important parts of your resume. It tells recruiters what you bring to the table right now. But here's the problem. Most people either list outdated skills or stuff their resume with vague buzzwords like good communication skill or quick learner. Don't make this mistake. Tailor your skill section to the job description. Use keywords directly from the posting and focus on a mix of hard skills like Python, SEO, or project management, and soft skills like leadership or problem solving. And keep it concise, 5 to 10 skills max. Recruiters want to see expertise, not a laundry list of every skill you have heard of. Recruiters are looking for candidates who can demonstrate their expertise. So be intentional about the skills you highlight. A well structured skills section signals that you are ready to deliver results from day one, regardless of your past job title or educational background. Your projects can speak louder than your job titles, especially in 2025, where recruiters care more about practical skills than just experience. If you have worked on specific projects that showcase your problem solving abilities, technical expertise, or leadership skill, highlight them. But don't just list your projects, explain them. What was the project? What was your role? What was the impact? For example, developed a mobile app that streamlined inventory management, saving 10 hours per week for small businesses. Even if you don't have much work experience, showcasing impactful projects can make you stand out. Recruiters want to see what you can do, not just where you have worked. If you have built something impressive, don't let it go unnoticed. And there you have it. If your resume isn't getting you interviews, chances are it's making one of these mistakes. But now you know how to fix them. And to make it even easier, we are giving you free recruiter approved resume templates. Download them from the link below and apply with confidence. Comment below what's the biggest struggle in your job search. We'll reply with the solution. Subscribe for weekly career hacks because your dream job is closer than you think. See you in the next video.